Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Our topic for today is about roofs. Yesterday we have completed all of our tutorials regarding these floors, and now we're going to move into our next topic. We're going to start our lecture into a very simple roofs up to the point that we're going to I'm going to teach you about this complicated one. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, let's get started. Now, guys, I have opened Revit, and next that I'm going to do is we're going to open our previous project. I'll open this previous project. Then now that it is open, first, guys, before we start our exercise about roof, I just wanted to have a brief discussions regarding roof. In general, there are four types of roofs that we are going to tackle in this tutorial. Number one is by roof by footprints, and then number two is roof by extrusion, and then number three is we're gonna make roof by face, and number four we're going to make roof using modeled in place. And then, guys, the next that we're gonna do, I'm going to open a roof. I'll open a roof, and we need to discuss something about all of these properties that is here in our roof. First is that we have this base level. This is the level at which the roof is placed. The roof moves with this level if the level changes heights. So this is the level. When we are creating a roof, that is the level where, like for example, we have this base level number 4, level 4. When we place a roof, our roof will adopt this level number 4, and it will be drawn on that level. And then number 2 that we have is this room bounding. When this is checked, the roof geometry has an effect on calculating room, area, and volume if this is checked. And then where we have this related to mass. This related to mass, it is grade. This will only not be grade if we are doing models in mass. So this will not be grade. This one will appear when we are making a roof by face. And then there's another one, base off from level. So this base off from level, this option lowers or elevates the base of the roofs relative to the base of the level. So that is base off from level. Base offset from level. It means to say that if we want to offset our level, like for example, we want to offset our roof level into negative, our level of roofs will go down to negative. Like for example, if we're going to make what you call this a flat roofs, sometimes this roof is higher than our what you call this walls, so we need to bring this down, and we need to assign our elevations or level to go down these roofs, these flat roofs that we have created. Another one, we have this cut off level. This cut off level, many roof shapes requires a combination of several roof. Like if we want to have two types of roof, one is another one from where we are cutting it, we cut it from, like for example, we have a cut level based on level 4. We're creating it in level 4, and any cut off level we assign, let's say we cut off at 1 meter. So the roof that will be created is only up to 1 meter. The rest of the top of the roof from the slope where we are creating, it's becoming empty, and we can again shape another level of this uh, cut off level. We can make another roof as it is shown on this picture. And there is a cut off offset. So that's what I have explained before. Any number, any height that we're going to place it there, like we're going to make it 1 meter, 2 meters, that is the height where our roof will stop. So another one, we have this rafter cut. This defines the if shape that you can select from plumb cut to plumb cut and or to plumb square. When two plumb cut square is selected, the fascia depth parameter is activated, and you can set the value of the depth. So this is grade, and if we choose this two cut square, then now we can set the value of our depth. And then guys, this is our first explanation of the roof, and we'll not make a roof first because we don't have a beam. And next that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. We'll not continue on this, and we will continue making our beam. I'll cancel edit mode, and then I'm going to open our 3D view, default 3D view, and here is our previous project. Now next that I'm going to do is we're going to create a beam from all of these, and then we'll make the same as we have done all of on this fourth floor, and we'll make it also there in our roof. And I'll go to this level 4, and in level 4 I need to again set our underlay, and I'm going to place this one underlay is our reference is at level 3 base level, and then from base level up to the top of this level 4, and then I'll make it look up and then apply. Okay, next that we're gonna do is we're going to create our beam. So from structure tab, and I'm going to select this beam, and then we're gonna make our beam one by one. Make it here, 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 and here, and here, 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 and here, 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 and then on this bottom, and this bottom here, and then go here, and I'll go on this place, and here, and on this and then and then hit escape twice, and then I go to 3D, and there is our beam. And then I go back to level 4, and next that we're gonna do is we're going to create our beam system. So from this structure tab, I'm going to choose this beam system, and we'll adapt all of the things that we have used before, and this click this, and now there is our beam, and in 3D it is like this. And then go back to this and finish first this, and then go back to level 4, and in level 4 we're going to create our floor. So now I'm going to this architecture tab, and then in architecture tab we're going to make a simple floor. This is roof by footprints. We're going to make all this up to roof by footprints, roof by extrusion, roof by face, roof soffit, fascia, and gutter. We're going to discuss all of these things in our tutorial. But first, we're going to make a very simple roof that is a roof that is very easy. Now, next I'm going to hit this roof by print, and in roof by print, I'm be sure to uncheck this define slope, and this overhang, be sure that that is 0, and then we'll go to edit type, and in edit type, we're gonna do duplicate, and then I'm going to name this duplicate flat roof, and then okay. And then next from this structure, we're going to select this edit, and then in edit we're gonna make our structure material, and then I'll select a material concrete, and then in concrete we'll just choose this class cast in situ, and then okay, and then let's change our thickness into 0.15, and then next I'll place our uh, cursor here in our one row, one column, rows, and then going to insert another material, and in function I'll select this substrate, and in substrate going to choose this uh, EP EPDM roofing membrane. So I'll select this, and then okay. No, I'll just use this rigid insulations, and then okay, and then again I'm going to add another, insert another one, and insert I'm going to select this finish, and then in finish I'll select a material, this roofing EPDM membrane, and then okay, and then next we're going to assign our thickness. Here I'll assign thickness of 4 inches, and here I'll assign a thickness of 16 mm, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. Now next that we're gonna do is we're going to uh, define our boundaries. So make sure that our boundary line is selected, and then I'm going to choose this select pick line, and then this pick line I'll make our offset 0.02, some 825, and then I'll over on this side, and then hit that center line, and then here I hit that center line, and also here I hit this center line also, and here also this one, and then here, and then here also on this side, and then on this bottom side, and here also, and then here on this bottom side, here, and then last is here. And then next we're going to make our trim extent. Here, trim extent in modify tab, and then I'll choose this one, and here, and also this one, and this one, and here, and here, and this one, and this one, and here also, and that one. And now we have already created our boundary line, and then let's finish this. And there is our simple roof that we have created. Now guys, we have created our simple roof, and then tomorrow we're going to move into another topic, which is we're going to do a pitching insulation to the roof. So let's make a pitching there, because this roof is not just only flat. All roof has some slope for our drainage. Okay guys, that's it for today, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye bye.